somebody had asked me an interesting question. When issues are being framed by the court, what if it is held that the court has no jurisdiction? Okay? Uh, what are the consequences when the court has no jurisdiction? Now, you will appreciate that the under the provisions of Order 14, Rule 2, the court can decide the issue of jurisdiction as a preliminary issue. Okay? This is a general provision. Now, formally in the state of Maharashtra, Section 9A was enacted. Now it is deleted recently, last year. Now, under Section 9A, the defendant can tell the court, even before filing written statement and even before the grant of injunction, that this court has no jurisdiction to entertain and try the present suit, and the issue of jurisdiction goes to the root of the matter, and this honorable court be pleased to frame the issue first and decide the same. That is the language employed in under Section 9A, which is applicable to only the state of Maharashtra. Now it is deleted because so much of time was being wasted recording evidence, matter appealable, then matter goes to High Court, Supreme Court. They struck it down. Why? Because this particular provision with regard to jurisdiction is covered under Order 14. Order 14 comes into play only after filing written statement. Please note that. And not before filing written statement. Whereas under Section 9A CPC, in the state of Maharashtra is concerned, the jurisdiction issue could be pressed before the filing of the written statement. That is withdrawn. Now, suppose if the court has, the court has now under Order 14, we have said that here, before framing of the issues, the court can examine the parties, that is the language. And before framing the issues, the court has to take into consideration the provisions of Order 10, Rule 2A. Rule 2 ke andar, you have seen it, the court has to examine the parties, find out what is the nature of the suit, examination of the parties. Then number 2, issues are framed considering the pleadings, namely number 1, plained and the written statement, number 1. The interrogatories, if any, filed. Interrogatories are filed, we learned under Order 11, Rule 1, 2, 3, 4. And also Section 30 of the CPC will tell you the power of the court to ask parties to file interrogatory, Section 30. Uske andar hai dekhiye, Section 30, if you see, this is analogous to Order 11.3. If I am not mistaken, that may be seen. I will just see the yes. Power of the court to, let me get my CPC. Yes.